Alright. Hey everyone, this is Rudy. It's, I don't know what today is. What's today, baby?
Today's Sunday.
It's our first motorcycle ride of the year, and we're going to church, and we thought we would film the ride to church. It's about 60 degrees, and 65 degrees, and we're hoping it don't rain, and we're going to get the road to church. Should I start over?
No.
Okay, we made it.
Oh, that was lovely.
That's our first motorcycle ride of the year, and we're here to hear the word from God by the preacher man.
From
a 17-year-old preacher.
the King James Bible.
From the King James Bible. Yeah, our preacher was 17 years old, and he gave the best sermon I ever heard in my life. Really good guy.
It was miraculous.
Yep. So, may God bless every one of you, and may God bring justice to the wicked.
Amen.
Got a big old chemtrail up there.
I was going to ask that lady if she saw those when she was a kid.
Yeah. You want me to back it up?
Squeeze my G1 in here.
You carried your gun into church?
It's in my purse.
You Texas girl, you. Yep.
shut it down soon?
When?
Or is that everybody should know?